Denzel Washington was in attendance at the 75th Annual Cannes Film Festival, where he was awarded the honorary Palme d'Or award by director Spike Lee. Denzel Washington, the Hollywood heavyweight, was visibly irate with the photographer's antics at the Cannes Film Festival. The 70-year-old actor, who was there for the premiere of his latest flick Highest to Lowest, didn't hesitate to express his displeasure. Caught on camera, Denzel was seen sternly wagging his finger at a snap-happy photographer and firmly telling them to stop. He reiterated his command multiple times, making his annoyance crystal clear. The incident unfolded as Denzel graced the red carpet with his co-star A$AP Rocky, aged 36. The seasoned actor took umbrage when a photographer tapped him on the arm, prompting him to rebuke the individual sharply. Although Denzel was evidently upset, the photographer appeared to be amused by the exchange, even attempting to reach out to the star again. This only added fuel to Denzel's ire, leading to an angry reaction before he chose to walk away. Nevertheless, the evening turned out to be a triumph for Denzel. He received the coveted honorary Palme d'Or award from none other than director Spike Lee. As Spike presented the accolade, he affectionately remarked, "This is my brother, right here." Overwhelmed by the honor, Denzel exclaimed, "This is a total surprise for me." Denzel joined the exclusive club of Palme d'Or honorees at the illustrious festival, becoming the second recipient that year. Typically, 1 or 2 are awarded annually, with Robert De Niro having been celebrated on the opening night. At 50, Leonardo DiCaprio honored his mentor Robert De Niro with an award, reminiscing about the past at Cannes Film Festival's opening ceremony. Referencing their time on This Boy's Life, DiCaprio shared, "I was one of the many very lucky kids who had the incredible opportunity to audition for and ultimately work with him early in my career on This Boy's Life." The audition process was a tough one. There was lots of competition. Nervous who would get the part. At 15 or 16 years old, I did the only thing I could think to stand out. I screamed at him at the top of my lungs. The room burst into laughter. DiCaprio continued the tale. Later that day, as the story goes, Bob was getting on his plane with his producer Art Linson, who asked, "Who do you want to play the part?" And in classic De Niro fashion, he replied, "Second kid from the last." Luckily, that second kid was me. And that moment changed my life forever.